tell about a planet in the solar system which is no longer a planet. Can you name it? Well, I guess you got it right. It's Pluto. So in today's episode, let me tell you why is Pluto not a planet anymore. Come on, let's zoom in. Until the year 2005, every school science book taught us there were 9 planets in the solar system. Namely, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and of course Pluto, which was the smallest amongst all. This celestial body was discovered in 1930 by a man named Clyde Tombaugh. Since then, everything was a smooth sail for students across the world. But in a warm day in August 2006, the space scientists of Astronomical Union in Paris gathered to that space scientist lab and astounded the world by declaring Pluto as not a planet. After hearing this startling news, the educations took notes and changed the matter in the textbook. But why did the scientist community take its title of a planet away? Well, for a celestial body to be a planet, it has to fulfill 3 essential criteria. Firstly, the object should be spherical in shape. Secondly, the object should revolve around the sun. Thirdly, the object should clean its neighborhood and should not have any equivalent or bigger celestial body in the orbit. Meaning, with the help of its gravity, the planet should clear asteroids and dwarf planets out of its way. But isn't Pluto spherical and revolves around the sun? Yes, Pluto does fulfill these 2 conditions. But they say it doesn't meet the 3rd criteria, which is the neighborhood surrounding it should be clear. Hence, the scientists took the title of a planet away and put the title of a dwarf planet in it. But Pluto isn't the only one to be called a dwarf planet. Yes, in the Kuiper belt near Pluto, the scientists found two dwarf planets, Haumea and Makemake, which were just like Pluto. But in 2005, they also discovered Eris, which looked bigger than Pluto itself. Pluto and these other planets look very good and very good, but were nowhere similar to the planets in the solar system. In the late 90s, they've discovered that Pluto and these other planets fulfill the 2 conditions, which is the object should be spherical and revolves around the sun. But Pluto and these other dwarf planets doesn't meet the 3rd criteria, which is the neighborhood surrounding it should be clear. Hence, Pluto was out of Team Planet and landed on Team Dwarf Planet. Trivia time! Did you know Venetia Burney, just 11 years old at the time, suggested the name Pluto in 1930? And did you know that Pluto is the only planet in the solar system with ice volcanoes and an ocean hidden under its icy surface? So, today's episode ended. Hope you had fun. Subscribe for more awesome videos. For now, bye, my video is wrapping up. Don't forget to hit the bell, leave a like on this video. Subscribe for more awesome videos. For now, bye.